It is today's board paper higher secondary examination 2025 subject biology, and we have solution of 1 marks. Let us see. Question number 1. Primary consumers are herbivores. First antibiotic is obtained from which microorganisms? That is penicillium. What is the age of duration of adolescence? 12 to 18 years. How many parts of the transcription unit in DNA? There is three parts or three regions. The process of evolution induced by the hormone, that is a luteinizing hormone, LH hormone. Which part of the ovule is attached to the funicle? The hilum is attached to the funicle. The next question is fill in the blanks. When a human need is turned to a greed, it leads to over exploitation of natural resources. If any protein encoding gene is expressed in heterogeneous host, it is called recombinant protein. DNA is negative charged molecules. Cyclosporin A is produced by the fungus Trichoderma polysporum. Placental wolf and Tasmania wolf similar to the corresponding marsupial. इसमें marsupial फिल करेंगे. Physical, emotional, behavioral and social well-being refers to health or good health. The next question, write true and false. Carpus luteum is a found in testis. False. Nucleic acid are long polymers of nucleotides. True. All microbes are not pathogenic. True. Deficiency can be cured by lymphocytes. True. Malaria disease is caused by plasmodium in human. True. Lichen represents an intimate parasitic relationship between the fungus and cyanobacteria. False. A parasitic relationship nahi, it is mutualistic relation, so it is false. Now next question is match the correct pair and write. Apoxim, Apomixis grass family, Darwin, Galapagos Island, Toddy, Southern India, agarose, seaweeds, detritivores, earthworm. The next question is answer in one word or one sentence which part of flower forms the fruit, that is ovary. What is colostrum? First milk formed by mammary glands. Write any one Mendelian disorder. Sickle cell anemia. What is restriction enzyme? The enzyme which cleaves DNA at specific sites. How many biodiversity hotspots are there in the world? They are 34. This is set A, and you can check the answers from other set by seeing it. Okay, thank you.